So here we have two functions. One is a parabola opening upwards, and one is a parabola opening downwards. And we're being asked to find these two integrals. So this first integral looks like it's the area under the downward opening parabola because of the minus sign. So that's going to give us this area here. So the area under this parabola between 0 and the point they've given us, which is 1.5. So this point here is 1.5, and this is 0. So this integral will give you this area. And then this second integral is the area under this upward opening parabola, and that's probably going to give you this area here. Okay, so the first integration gives us that area, second integration gives us this area, and if you subtract this second area from the first area, it'll give you the area of the shaded region. So this area of the region bounded by the two curves, that's the area I'm about to highlight. That's this area. Okay, so this area is simply going to be the area that we found in A minus the area that we found in B. So this area minus this area. Okay, so let's find this one first. So A, the integration of minus 2x squared plus 6 dx. Remember, you add 1 to the power, and then you divide by the new power. So it's minus 2x cubed over 3 plus 6x. So imagine there's x to the power 0. That becomes x to the power 1 over 1. Plus constant. And for part B, it's very similar. It's 2x squared minus 6x plus 6 dx gives us 2x cubed over 3 minus 6x squared over 2 plus 6x plus c. And we can rewrite 6 over 2 as 3. Okay, so this is our two integrals, but because they haven't given us limits, we had to include the c there. So it's not quite the area until we add the limits. But now we have the integration, we can simply add the limits and then subtract. So we can say the area, or let's find the area, the definite integral for A. So that's going to be minus 2 over 3 x cubed plus 6x without the c from 0 to 1.5. And you can just substitute 1.5 instead of x, and then 0 instead of x, and subtract. So I'll just put that in the calculator. That gives me 27/4. And the area for B is this. So that's plus 2/3 x cubed minus 3x cubed, x squared, sorry, plus 6x from 0 to 1.5. And I'll put that in my calculator. That's 9/2. So we can then say that the total area, the area bounded by the two curves, so the area bounded or shaded is equal to 27/4 minus 9/2. And if you rewrite this as 18/4, that gives you 9/4. So that that would be your final answer. If they ask for an exact value, you would leave it like that. Or what you could do is write that as 2 1/4. So 2.25. So that is your final answer. So we found the area shaded by finding this large area and then subtracting from it this smaller area. What we could have done is taken this minus this and then just substituted the limits once. It would have given us the same answer.